Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your photos on your Bumble profile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different profiles with which you can directly swipe left or right. Now, if you wish to change the photos within your profile, tap on the profile menu at the bottom left corner. From this page, tap on your current profile image and then tap on Edit Profile. You will now be taken into your profile edit page within which you will see all of your pictures. Tap on the picture that you would like to change and tap on the Delete Photo option, and then you can tap on the plus icon to upload your preferred new picture. You can also upload a video if you wish to do so, and you can also take one by using your camera right away. You can use your Facebook or your Instagram option to choose your photos, or you can also upload one from your gallery. Once you add your desired photos onto your account, you can go back to your profile and it will be updated right away. You can change these photos at any time that you wish, and they will be implemented right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your photos on your Bumble account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.